Have you ever wanted to earn a free Bitcoin just from your mobile phone? Well, if you do, then stay tuned to this video right to the very end, and I'll show you where you can go and do this from one of the most reputable companies that have been around for a few years, called Stormgain. Okay, so let's go through exactly what Stormgain is and how you can then go and earn free Bitcoin by using their mining platform. Let's go and show you right now. Okay, so here we are. We've come onto the Stormgain website, so stormgain.com. And as you can see here, it's the all-in-one crypto platform with zero commission. Now, we're going to be looking primarily today in this video about the Bitcoin mining. So where you can actually go and mine Bitcoin, and you can mine it directly from your mobile phone. So let's quickly go over and just show you a little bit about their website, and also show you how they have performed and become one of the best providers of Bitcoin mining on a mobile phone. As you can see here, we will be looking at, say, the different products they actually supply. You can do Bitcoin trading, obviously, on their app. You can also do exchange. They also have wallets that you can use as well. And also, obviously, they have got their mining platform as well, which we're going to go into in a little while, and I'll show exactly very shortly exactly how I have started to mine Bitcoin totally free. Okay, so let's quickly go through, and we'll just quickly whiz over to the Google Play Store, and as you can see here, the Stormgain app has had over 47,500 reviews, and they actually still got a rating, a fantastic rating of 4.6. So that is phenomenal for that amount of actual reviews, guys. So as you can see, they've had over 1 million plus installs from this, and like I say, some really good reviews coming in across the board. So again, as you can see, that's why it's one of the top names for mining on your mobile phone. And as you can see as well from the Apple Store, it's had ratings of 4.4, and again that's had over 1,000 ratings in the Apple Store as well. So again, it's producing the exact sort of results on the Apple app as it is on the Android side as well. So whether you've got an Android or an Apple, obviously you can go and obviously download this app for free in both of the stores, and we'll show you exactly how you then can go through the app very shortly. But let's just go back to the actual website for just a second. Now, okay, so here we go. You can actually mine your first crypto in 4 hours, and you have to do this as soon as you start mining and activate it. Now, again, like I say, I'll show you how to exactly do that on your mobile very shortly. You do it in batches of 4 hours. Okay, so I'm not quite sure why they do that. They say it's because they don't want everything, running all the time, every day, 24 hours a day in the background. So you have to literally go and activate that, and I'll show you how simple it is on the mobile phone very shortly. It says you can earn up to 0.03 of a Bitcoin a day. So that is a huge amount that you can actually go and actually mine. There are different speeds that you can actually mine at, and obviously these you would have to become better at, and obviously work up through the system. You start off with a 0.5, which is a standard speed, and that's what I've started off obviously at yesterday when I actually went and signed up. Okay, now you don't obviously need any mining equipment, you don't, and it doesn't waste any of your battery or your CPU drainage, and of course obviously it's fast and it is risk-free because you're not investing anything. All you're doing is clicking a button, and then obviously after a period of time you'll be able to pull out some Bitcoin. So again, how are you going to do this? It's obviously a very fast sign up. You can go to the stormgain.com and just start mining BTC there, or you can go over to the app stores, download the app, and then register via the app. That's how I did it, and it just took a couple of minutes, guys. Okay, once you go to the Bitcoin miner page, which I'll show you how to do that shortly, press the activate button, and then away you go. You can obviously then just keep repeating that as and when. I've got a link down below in this video, in the description of this video, and by clicking on that link, I'm actually going to give you free USDT, which is the currency that you can actually mine in, and you need to get to 10 USDT before you can actually download and withdraw the Bitcoin. So let's go over to the actual app here, and as you see, you would land on the home page, which is it says here you obviously got all the signals here, you've got the exchange, you've got status, and you've got messages here, and obviously deposit. So you can actually deposit money into there if you wanted to and start trading straight away. It's also got the trading platform there, which shows you what all the trades are at the moment. You've also got an exchange platform. Again, there's a couple of exchange platforms there. This is what's in my wallets. Now, obviously, there's nothing in any of my wallets at the moment because I've only just actually joined. And then you just click on the More button here, and then you can go up to where it says Crypto Miner, and then you just click on the Crypto Miner. And as you can see here, just within sort of like 24 hours of me being on here, I've actually earned 1.82 USDT. Okay, and as you can see, I've got a time remaining here of 3 hours left on my mining, so that will then stop, and then obviously I will have to reactivate it by just pressing a green button that will appear actually in that area there. Now, a good thing of what you can do when you actually are part of the Bitcoin to actually earn a little bit more, you can refer a friend, as it says here, and you'll get 15% of their mined funds that they've actually withdrew. So if they actually go and withdraw 100 USDT, then you would get 15 USDT as a bonus. Okay, and also anyone joining through your link will also get a bonus of 3 USDT just for registering. And again, that's why I'm able to give you that by registering through my link. Now, I didn't register through a link, so as you can see here, I've only actually gone and gone from 0, and I've still done that in less than 24 hours, 1.82. So that's, I'm probably going to be up to over 2 USDT in 24 hours. So literally once a week, without actually even referring anybody, you should be able to then download. And what I'll do another video after I've hit the 10 USDTs, because then I can show you how you can then actually go and withdraw and get your money out of the Stormgain app. So that's it, guys. It's really quick, really easy to go and do. Like I say, just follow these steps here and you are good and up and running. Obviously, then once you've got the app, if you did want to go on and then do some trading and deposit stuff, you're free to do that as well. But again, like I say, this video is all about the Bitcoin mining side, that you can start without any investment at all, and you can start it literally start earning within 4 hours of just clicking the activate button. Definitely check out the link in the description below and go and start mining your Bitcoin right now. Okay, and again, guys, this can work literally in the background. Once you've set it, activated it, you're good to go. Then it just works away in the background. You haven't got to do anything else to it. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously give us the old big thumbs up underneath the video. Don't forget to check out these videos next. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the next one, which is coming soon.